Oh, welcome back. I'm still having problems with the brakes and the Robin. I've tried so many different ways of bleeding them, just not going to have it. The master cylinder is, all intents and purposes, it's actually brand new. I had it all re-sleeved, I don't know if you can see there, re-sleeved. I did actually send it back to the company that done it because I didn't think it's working, but it's working a treat. I've done a bench bled it, it's absolutely fine. I've done the distance between obviously the piston in there and the servo. Bled all the brakes, did it twice. There's loads of fluid coming out, so the fluid's actually getting to the cylinders and the calipers, but then I don't get any pressure on the pedal. So what I've done is taken the servo off. It can't be the wheel cylinders because they're all brand new. The calipers are brand new. The master cylinder's brand new. It's got to be the servo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make an adapter from here and just put the master cylinder on. So hopefully I can get the master cylinder in the same place, so I don't have to do the brake pipes. I've actually done it on my Capri, so I know it does work. This means I might have to press the pedal a bit harder, but it's only a light car, so I shouldn't really need a servo. Yeah, well, this is a servo that I've actually just pulled apart. I did try and get the company that done the master cylinder, so they did a repair on it, and they say they can't get the parts for them. These are like, well, once they break, you just throw them away and get a new one. But back in the 80s it's probably okay, but we're not in the 80s anymore. I didn't really find a great deal wrong with it. It's all the pistons and rubbers, a bit muddled at the moment. But the reason I took it apart, well, two reasons really. One, I wanted to see what's inside it, which is not a lot really. You can rub a diaphragm and you see I've muddled it all just to get it apart. The bit I wanted was this bit in the vise. This bit's going to go to the pedal, so I can actually machine this down, maybe put a thread on the outside and the inside, and I can use it as an adjustment. I might even put like a turnbuckle type thing on it, so I can actually set it up, you know, so the actual gap between the push rod. This is going to be the push rod, and the master cylinder is spot on, so I can just adjust it. Anyway, that's the cunning plan. So that's the inside of the servo. It come apart quite easy. I was just wondering if the silver in here has gone. I see it's all rusty around here, isn't it? And yeah, it looks like it's going the outside. Can't really tell by the condition of the rest of it because I actually see that hammer. I took a hammer to it and a chisel and a screwdriver, and that's all. And it all come apart. There's another part of it there. That's the bit I was trying to adjust all the time, just to try and get the distance right between the pedal and the master cylinder. So anyway, this is where we are at the moment. So I'm just going to go on Fleabay and order some steel and make some flanges. I've got to make a flange to go onto the firewall and to the master cylinder. So I've got some loads of round tubes somewhere. I think next door. I think I can make that no problem. So it'll be quite interesting to make. Anyway, that's it so far. Thanks for coming back. See you again shortly. Bye now.